As you can see, there's a bunch of construction going on here in McKinney, Texas at the Painted Tree community. Here's one of the homes that's still available for you to get in June. Contact me for more information. Let's take a look at it. As we fly over, you can see the 3-car tandem garage for this Shepherd floor plan by Coventry Homes. This house will be 3,482 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath. As our view gets higher, you can see how easy it is to access the main roads from this location. Let's take a look at these photos of the Shepherd floor plan to get more of an idea of what it'll look like once it's built. Here's an example of the style of the front of a Coventry home with the Shepherd floor plan. There will be some differences, but it gives you an idea of the style that they go with. Inside, there's a bunch of light coming in from all of the windows, lighting up the space. I love all the natural light. It's really nice to have all that counter space next to the sink. This open floor plan concept allows you to have a seamless flow between the kitchen, the dining area, and the living room. Here's the primary suite with a bunch of windows to bring in that natural light once again. It flows nicely into the primary bathroom with dual sinks and a nice sized shower with a bench seat. Flowing from the bathroom is the primary closet with a bunch of space. Here, the upstairs game room has a balcony where you can look out to the backyard. And adjacent to the game room is the media room. Here's the laundry room. And in the backyard, you have a nice sized covered patio to hang out and enjoy those nice summer nights. To give you even more of an idea of Coventry Homes' aesthetic style, I went over to their model home in the Painted Tree community. It's showing off their Bandera floor plan, but it still gives you a sense of their design style. Starting outside, you can see the brick and stone exterior with multiple elevations creating an appealing look with different depths. Now as we step inside, you're greeted with this tall entryway creating that wow factor, flooding the room with bright natural light. To the right of the entryway is the office, great for working from home. Now this living room is awesome. Soaring ceilings, tall windows, and an open concept flow into the kitchen and dining areas. The kitchen includes a large center island, lots of cabinet space, and a walk-in pantry tucked away around the corner. Over at the breakfast nook, we're surrounded by windows, making it a bright, happy place to start your mornings. Moving into the main level primary suite, as we look up, the vaulted ceilings add an extra layer of elegance, which leads into the primary ensuite bath. Here you've got a freestanding tub, oversized glass shower, dual vanities, and a large closet. Also downstairs is a second suite with a private full bath. Not only would guests enjoy this private retreat, but it would also be ideal for multi-generational living. Upstairs, there's 3 more bedrooms, a game room at the landing, and a media room. Take a look at the outpost in the painted tree community. It's inspired by our national parks, and right over there, there's a lookout tower attached to the kids' playground where you can climb up and take a look at treetop sunsets. This is a great place to relax and unwind. Well, here I saw cardinals and multiple other birds flying in and out of all the trees. It's also a great place to access the trails to take a walk or get a run in. Painted Tree Community includes 250 acres of parks and trails inspired by our national parks. They also have pools, lounges, 20-acre lake stocked with fish, as well as gathering spaces, a food truck court, parks, playgrounds, and so much more. Painted Tree is also in such a great location. It's just 3 miles northwest of historic downtown McKinney and just 30 miles north of Dallas. In the nationwide rankings by John Burns Research and Consulting, Painted Tree was the top-selling master plan community in Dallas-Fort Worth. Additionally, it's in the highly sought-after McKinney Independent School District. If this area has caught your eye and you want to know more, or you're ready to buy your dream home in the area, reach out. I'd love to work with you.
Wait. Using control. There we go. Okay, and I did so naturally just a second ago. Phew. Yeah, I need a little more practice.